This thing is the meme coin of this bull run, in my opinion. I think it's the one that kind of is going to capture people's hearts the way that SHIB caught people's hearts in the last bull run. I'm not a financial advisor. Altcoin Spotlight, and our altcoin spotlight is WIF. We've been talking about WIF for a couple weeks now. We've been telling you that WIF is due to explode. And I don't mean WIF is due to explode in a way that it's going to move counter to the market. The market may move this way, but WIF is going to do this. You know, that's not what I'm saying. Okay. What I'm saying is, where is WIF these days? Did I go right past it? Okay, here it is.
There it is.
There it is. It's just the dog is so cute. I'm looking for a logo, a circle coin. I'm looking for a token that looks this cute, and I just can't find one. Man, I tell you. Okay, so I've been telling you guys that the reason why I'm so bullish on WIF is because WIF has been absolutely freaking crushed. Compared to the market, WIF has been more crushed than most coins. There have been 2 or 3 times in the last 6 weeks where I have clicked the biggest losers of the week, and WIF is number 1. There is no reason. This was in the top, I think it was in the top 40 for sure. I don't know if it got into I don't think it hit the 20s, but this thing is the meme coin of this bull run, in my opinion. I think it's the one that kind of is going to capture people's hearts the way that SHIB caught people's hearts in the last bull run. I'm sorry. Pepe and Bonk, they just don't have communities. Do you know these communities?
I'm not in them.
Do you know these people?
No, I don't.
It's Robinhood, I guess. I don't know who these people are. I don't know who the people are that are so big on Bonk. I know some early Solana people. Well, people who were early on Bonk because of its kind of what it represented when it came out as a meme coin around the FTX stuff. Mm-hmm. And I know some people that were in it then and maybe still are. But, and I was in Pepe at the very, very, very beginning almost. I mean, within 3 days of the launch. But the thing is that they don't have vibrant communities. They just don't. I see Bonk, it's a corporate meme coin, Bonk is, in a sense. You see it sponsoring the crypto fight nights all the time, sponsoring stuff. They got big money, whoever is behind it. I don't even know the details of it these days. But the point is that WIF is like WIF and Popcat, and I believe Brett at some point. And what's the other one I love? There's another one I love. I talk about sometimes. Floki, I like Floki as well. But these are the ones that on narrative are going to kind of capture people at different times in this bull run, I think. And WIF is going to be kind of the cultural meme people remember that's unique to this bull run, I believe. And so that's going to happen over the next, Peanut also. What's Peanut doing these days? Where's it at?
Ooh, I don't know.
Is it falling out of top 100? If it is, it's still one to watch. I say it's still got a lot of the sexy stuff. It might be like in the 80s or something. But my point here
133.
Is, what is it?
133.
133. Peanut is another one of these guys. It's got the cultural stuff. It's got the hype-driven narrative stuff you want. The Hawk Tua, that was a quick spit. Didn't have it.
That was a good one.
Yeah, I still feel bad for the girl. I look bad. Some people.
She got set up for sure.
I believe. I believe. I think that
there's no way that country bumpkin knows anything about crypto.
No. And look, at some point she had to agree to stuff, but I think that she thought that she was going into some Twitter Spaces to be the queen for the day, and she went in and was vilified. And her thing's over. She's done. She there's no comeback.
She's like off Twitter. I think
probably
she's like posted on Instagram, but nothing on Twitter.
Yeah, probably. I just feel bad for people that get their. You guys see the show now, and you see the way we do things, these kind of sponsors we have, and what we do and stuff. You guys see the difference between somebody that's got hooks that have gotten into them, and manipulation, and people are trying to trick you to do things for their benefit, and then what happens when you're just out there doing stuff for you, and it's a big difference. So don't ever get too big. That's what I say. I like being as big as I can get. Are you on the lookout for a reliable cryptocurrency exchange that offers low fees and high security? With so many exchanges to choose from, it can be overwhelming to find the right one that meets all your trading needs. That's where Phemex comes in. Phemex is a top-notch crypto exchange designed to provide you with an exceptional trading experience. By joining Phemex using my affiliate link, you can enjoy a wide range of trading features, low fees, and robust security measures. Phemex prioritizes your security with advanced protection protocols, ensuring your assets are safe. Plus, Their user-friendly interface makes trading a breeze, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader. But that's not all. When you use my affiliate link, you'll also get access to exclusive offers and up to $8,800 in trading bonuses. Don't miss out on this opportunity to trade on a platform that truly values its users. Click the link in the description to sign up for Phemex Today. Start trading with confidence. Your journey to successful crypto trading, well, it begins now. Okay. So WIF is up 17% in the last 7 days. Okay. It is the Solana-based meme coin that's gained big attention in the space, driven by huge price pumps, increasing volume on DEXs. It's listing on Coinbase. And so why does this matter? Why are we looking at WIF? Well, after the recent market turndown, it's found itself down 15% in the last 90 days and a 2x away from its high of 429 on November 14th. It makes it a great opportunity. And I would tell you, this is kind of how you can look at some of that moon math and say, oh, this is some good stuff. It's because when you look at the attention that was around in the beginning, like that's great, but it's 50%. It's a 2x. Basically, it's 100% away. Down. Anyways, that it goes. It's 100% away from an all-time high, 2x, right now, about where it's at. Do you think that a meme coin, one I'm calling, if it's not going to be the meme coin of this bull run, it's definitely in the conversation for sure. Do you think that I'm going to say that all this about this coin and then what we're just going to expect it to get back to all-time highs? That's it? No. I'm telling you SHIB for a reason. I'm telling you SHIB because SHIB had its most explosive run on the back half. It crushed Dogecoin and the other altcoins when it came to get the number one returning coin of the entire bull run was SHIB. And the point is that when the meme coins run, they can really, really, really run. And I think WIF is setting up for this because SHIB had some hype on the first half of the bull run. It performed very well, had some hype, did not outperform Dogecoin. And then it just shoo, because it makes sense. The mania comes in on the back half and you know the mania is coming in with the meme coins because your retail mania people are coming in and making wise financial decisions like they do.